thought that maybe Eli could open up his birthday present now.
From who?
It's from Daddy and I and Nana and Pops. Okay, I got it.
$10 old. Wow.
10 years old.
Where did the years go? What, are you just taping this?
Mm-hmm.
It's harder to open. Open.
Come on. Open it.
He's doing it.
Cool. What are those?
Read it out loud.
Yay!
What does it say?
Happy birthday, Eli. Your bags are packed and we're spending the night here tonight.
What is it?
It's Great Wolf Lodge.
What is that?
Some indoor water park place. Looks really cool.
It does.
It
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. It's that big red roof place in front of us. We're going
Oh.
over there right now.
Yay!
Did you hear that,
Thank
Felix?
you. Yes.
Do you know what we're doing? We're going to an indoor water park.
Going right here. I know. Does that look cool? Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you jazzed?
And we get to
Yeah.
spend the night.
Yay! We all do?
We all do.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! I said again, that's so funny.
Okay. You ready?